So, hello fellow coin collectors, how you going? And this is Glenn, and today I've got my new pickups. So, I have placed these in 3 lots. So, the lot are going to sell. A lot I've got, these are okay. And the coins that I pretty much will definitely add to collection. But, when you get these coins, you need to check the mintages and how much they sell for. So the first two I've got Italian coins, so these are pretty high mint. So this is the Overstruck Italian coin from 1919. So these are Overstruck on 1894, 95, 20-cent pieces. And if you look closely, so if we zoom in a bit more, you can see the bit of the crown on the top up there. You've got a bit of the reef. So the reef goes around and then there's a crown. So you can see images of the previous coin. And this is not too common these days. In the Roman times, that was pretty common to overstruck previous coins. And this one is a mintage of 33.4 million. So in this condition, only worth about $1 or $2. But it's still a nice coin to have. The more that you can see you overstruck or the previous coin, then the more value it will have. Second coin is 1909. So this one has a mintage of 19 million. So I'll write the mintages down below because it's just easier to remember. This has Liberty, so she's flying through the sky. You might think she has no clothes on, but all this represents her clothing. So her clothing is a drape. So it's like a dress she's wearing. And she's holding a flame. And here we have the Savoy Cross, Rome, mint mark, 1909. And on the, so I would say this is the reverse because it doesn't have the coat of arms. We just have an allegorical figure representing Italy. And it has wheat. And this is one of the best coins of Italy. This period, so 1880s to the 1930s, they did have nice coins. And this is one of them. And I wrote down who actually designed or at least engraved this coin, Luigi Giorgi. So it's a nice coin. And his initials are there. So that is George. Okay. So that coin probably costs about $3 or $4. Even though it's a nice design, there's a lot of them out there. Then we have a coin from Palestine. So this one a mintage of 2 million. These cost between $5 and $10 in this condition. And it's just a 5mm coin with a hole in it. So they're circulated in Israel, Jordan, and the Palestinian territories. So nice coin. Then we have a large coin. So this is from Rwanda. So 10.5 grams, 30 millimeters. Here we have the coat of arms, the flag, or the old flag of Rwanda. 10 francs. It's pretty much uncirculated, but you can see it does have some scratches on it. And the lines going around, looks like a circle, is probably a mint product. So this is the front of the coin. We have the first president of Rwanda, Gregory Kayibanda. So he was the first president. And as you can see, it does have some ghosting on it. So these coins are about $10 each. So I'll get this one in place with the other coins. Then we have some coins I don't have. So here's a Oman and Muscat, as they were called at the time. So the capital of Oman is Muscat City. And this is a coin of 8 million. And the value at the time was 1 real. 1 Dafari real equals 200 paisa. So a bit different. 1959. And on this side we have 3 bases. And that is 1379, 1959. So these coins are about $5 each. Then we have a 50 pias from Burma. And this goes with the 25 pias I bought before. So that one is dated 1954, has Chinzi, has 12 million. And these coins are a bit harder to get. If you want to get high grade coins, they're going to be a bit expensive. But they're 1966, they'll replace the aluminium coins. And I want to get the whole set of these, so they come in 1, 5, 10, 25, 50 pias and 1 chat. Then we have a coin I actually quite like. So this is a Czechoslovak coin that was minted only for 1 year in circulation, so 1933. There is a 1932, but that's very rare actually, because there's less than 1,500, and that costs at least 10,000. So if you get one of these 1932, it's either a fake or you've won the jackpot. So here we have the Czech lion with the Slovak shield on the line, and that's the reading. So quite a nice coin, and I like this. Pretty much a modern art type design. Looks quite nice. It's like it's in water. Beautiful. And that's a pretty coin. Then we have coins of Haiti. So I do collect Haiti. Pity bad all the scratches on it. But getting a coin like this is not that easy. And this one has a mintage of 5 million A, so it's minted in Paris. And it's 1 cent, 1895 of the first coins of the third Gorda series. And the next 2 coins we have Hungary. So these ones are about $5 each. So we have a 1942. And fun fact, before the Second World War, these coins were both minted in silver. So they went from silver to aluminium. And after the war, there was hyperinflation, so this currency was withdrawn from circulation. 1 pengo is minted to 19 million. So we've got Budapest there, 942, Pingu. And here we have, just says Hungary Kingdom, and the coat of arms of Hungary. And this is actually an existing crown. I think the crown's about 1,000 years old and was given to the Hungarians by the Byzantines. So if you look up on Wikipedia the Hungarian coat of arms, they'll give you information on that. Then we have a 5 pengo coin issued in 1945. So this has a mintage of 5 million. Here we have the Parliament of Hungary. So I'm not too sure. That says Hungary something. So I might just say Parliament House. And this one was demonetized in the same year as minted. So 1945, and it's also demonetized in 1945. And it replaced this coin here. So it's a little bit smaller. So this is 1943. And these cost about $5 to $10 each. And this one has the dictator Hori Miklos. So I believe he was executed after the Second World War. Anyway, that's quite nice. They both have the coat of arms. And that goes into the collection. But these are the ones that are like Vatican and San Marino. If you want to get these, between 70 and 75, the Vatican issued, 1 coin series, as well as in the 50s. But for most of the time, the Vatican San Marino issued different coins every year. So you need to collect 1 coin for 1 year. So this one is 1975. So we have 1,000. Then we have 1,000 minus 100. So it's 19. Then we have 50. Then we have 60, 70, and 5. That's the coat of arms with the so how the Vatican coat of arms works is the two keys and the crown is the actual coat of arms of the Vatican. This shield has the coat of arms of Paulus VI, and it changes every time there's a new pope. So this coin has a mintage of 200,000. So even though it's 200,000, still it costs about $5 to $10 each. And then we have, I like this coin. This just looks awesome to me. So this one is a 100 Lira of Paulus VI again. And this is also 1975. And on this side we have, looks like fishing. So looks like we have some boats, and this is Cordovera actually designed this coin. This is our Vaticano, so it says 605,000. So this one you're probably paying about $10 for a coin like this. Quite a nice coin. Glad I've got that. Then we have two coins from Vatican, same denomination, so the 10 Lira, 1974. So these are the three castles that represent the three peaks of Monte Titano over the capital. And on this side we have a B. This is a mintage of 1.276 million, so worth about $5. And this is designed by Luciano Inguizzi. So I like that coin. And it's going to be a bit tough to get Vatican and San Marino coins because a lot of them you just can't get. In 1978, 100 Lira, so the same scene as the other coin. And this one is made in Asmonitol, so I'm not too sure what that metal is. I need to look it up. This one has 875,000 coins, and you need to remember, okay, at the time the population of San Marino was only 25,000, so this mintage is designed for the tourist trade pretty much, because these coins could have been used in Italy, so a lot of these coins would have been sold to tourists, but a lot of people would have come in and out of San Marino, would have taken these coins out. Some of them would have been spent in Italy, and probably just taken as, you know, as we all do when we go overseas, just keep some of the currency and have an awesome time looking at it. So anyway, that is my new pickups and what you can buy these for. Oh, sorry, this one probably costs about $10. So not too cheap, but, you know, nice coins. Let me know down below which was your favorite coin, because just sometimes it's just a bit hard to choose which coin is the best. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. And I'll leave some links down below so you can go and have a look on eBay and see what is good out there. Thank you and goodbye.